Luxembourg is a small, prosperous country in Western Europe, known for its high standard of living, advanced economy, and strong financial sector. The capital, Luxembourg City, is a major financial hub and home to several EU institutions. The country has a rich cultural heritage with a mix of French, German, and Luxembourgish influences, and is known for its beautiful castles, picturesque countryside, and vibrant cultural scene. Luxembourg is also committed to environmental sustainability and is often referred to as the Green Heart of Europe due to its extensive forests and nature reserves. Luxembourg is part of the Schengen area, and visitors can apply for a short-stay Schengen visa type C to visit Luxembourg for tourism, business, or visiting friends and family. Here are some key details about the Luxembourg visiting visa. Duration: a short stay visa allows stays of up to 90 days within a 180-day period. Application process: you need to apply for a Schengen visa at the Luxembourg Embassy or consulate in your home country or the country where you legally reside. Required documents: typically, you will need a valid passport, a completed visa application form, passport-sized photos, travel itinerary, proof of accommodation, travel insurance, and proof of financial means to cover your stay. Purpose of visit: you must provide a clear purpose for your visit, such as tourism, business, or visiting family or friends, and provide relevant documentation to support your application. Processing time: the processing time for a Schengen visa application is usually around 15 calendar days, but it can vary depending on the embassy or consulate. Visa fee: the visa fee for a short-stay Schengen visa is €80 for adults and €40 for children aged 6 to 12. There are some exemptions and reductions for certain categories of applicants. Entry restrictions: a Schengen visa for Luxembourg allows you to travel to other Schengen countries as well within the 90-day limit. However, you must enter and exit through Luxembourg if Luxembourg is your main destination. It's important to check the specific requirements and procedures with the Luxembourg Embassy or consulate where you plan to apply, as they may vary slightly. To apply for a Luxembourg visit or tourist visa, you should follow these steps. Schedule an appointment. Contact the Neerabechtigst. It's important of amateur feitoren. ACOR slot may be on potential occasion G. Umail severity drady dd dredu. Billet have a zipitom. Download the Luxebizorv. Online, complete accurate, print a hard copy, and signet. In Surathatal Sefershantak. Submit the application compli althenacy. Listed in the desfant. Additionally, completethapami squetri vivrivri. Payment can be masidi. Remember toinklafeet. Wait for response. After completing so, await a response. You shall dress a fivel. Where you submit it and see all thutmet maiden skill.
Before we proceed further in this video, I kindly request just 1 minute of your time to introduce our books currently available for purchase on Amazon.com. We currently have 2 books on sale. The first book is titled Discover Abroad: Navigating Travel, Immigration, Study, and Employment Opportunities Abroad. Our second book is titled 450 Business Analyst Interview Questions and Answers: Ace Your Interview. These books are designed to help you expand your horizons, embrace new experiences, and unlock a world of possibilities. Additionally, the interview book can assist you in standing out from the competition and landing your dream job abroad. Simply click on the link provided in the description box of this video to order yours now.
To apply for a Luxembourg visa, you must provide the following documents. At the nearest Luxembourg embassy or consulate in your home country: valid passport. Your passport must be valid for at least 3 months after your intended return date, in good condition, and with at least 2 blank pages. Include copies of previous visas if applicable. 2 photos: these should be passport-sized, taken against a blank background, and in color, following the Schengen photo guidelines. Schengen visa application form: complete the form online, print it, and sign it. Ensure all information is accurate. Schengen visa travel insurance: provide proof of valid health insurance with a minimum coverage of 30,000 for any health issues during your stay. Visa fee receipt: pay the visa fee at the embassy or consulate and attach the receipt to your documents. Cover letter: introduce yourself to the embassy, explaining the purpose of your visit, planned duration, and itinerary. Accommodation proof: provide evidence of your accommodation arrangements in Luxembourg, such as a rental agreement, hotel reservation, or invitation letter. Invitation letter, if applicable, include an invitation letter from a friend or family member in Luxembourg. Bank statements: submit your bank statements from the last 6 months to demonstrate financial stability. Flight itinerary: show proof of a return flight ticket purchased in your home country after the visa expires. Ensure all required documents are included to avoid visa refusal. We have provided link of Schengen visiting visa interview questions which can be asked during your interview at the embassy. The link is provided in the description box of this video. The processing time for a Luxembourg visit visa is typically 15 days, starting from the submission of your documents at the embassy or consulate of Luxembourg. However, this period may be extended from 15 to 60 days depending on various factors, including the complexity of your case, the time of year you apply, for example, during holidays or peak seasons, the volume of applications being processed, any missing documents or additional requirements. The validity of a Luxembourg visa varies based on its type. A short-stay visa allows stays of up to 3 months within a 180-day period. A long-stay visa is initially valid for 1 year, with the possibility of extension or renewal based on your circumstances. If your Luxembourg visa is denied, you have several options. Appeal the decision by submitting an appeal letter to the embassy or consulate within 15 days of the denial. Reapply for the same visa once more in Luxembourg. Apply for a Schengen visa to another Schengen country. If granted, you can visit Luxembourg without needing a separate visa. Please note that your visa can be denied for the following reasons: false information, missing documents, not attending your visa appointment on time, passport not being valid or in good condition, not having travel insurance, not being financially stable. Thanks for watching. If you're considering visiting Luxembourg, a country known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture, the visitor visa is your ticket to explore this European gem. Whether you're planning to enjoy the picturesque castles, indulge in delicious cuisine, or simply experience the unique charm of Luxembourg, obtaining your visitor visa is straightforward and hassle-free. Don't forget to check the specific requirements and apply in advance to ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Safe travels, and see you in Luxembourg.